Hey, and we're live. Good morning, Nick. How are you this morning?
I'm doing great this morning. How are you doing?
Very good. Another day of two old guys trying to make some money here.
Well, guys, trying to make some money. Market's open in a minute. YM is going up. NQ is going up.
Crude's going down. Well, a little bit.
Oh.
Here we go.
Oh, now shit's dropping. All right. Look at that.
Just like that.
Gonna hit London low,
hey,
maybe?
Good morning, Miss K, Angia, Darren Does Things, Jose.
Darren,
good morning.
you switched over to the dark side, I see. Talking to Home Fries earlier this morning.
Oh, really? Yeah?
Yeah. Was over on Luna's live stream for a minute.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, YM's popping up here. Just above the overnight VWAP already. Whoa.
I am actually in a YM long right now. Lock in $50.
I'm in there also. I'm only up about $12. Stops in the money a little bit.
Good deal.
Let this guy run. Let's go. Let's run it. Run it, YM. Run it. No, don't. Oh. Broke even.
Oh, that's weird. Made $71. I don't know how the hell that happened. All right. I'll take it.
Angia, hi, Mr. Dave. Hi, Mr. Mustang. Hey.
Hello.
Chintan, good morning. Or I should say good evening for you. You're probably still awake. Darren was in PFM while getting some work done. Nice. Hey, there's Tim. Good morning.
And you stopped trying to fade what the market was doing, apparently?
Yeah.
The trend is your friend. I'm sure everybody is real sick of hearing that stupid phrase, but there is something to it.
It's true. It's true. Well, I took my one early stab there on the YM. I'm not going to do it again.
Okay. You did it. Don't be proud of it, but just accept the fact that you did it.
Yeah.
So, looking at NQ, how are you feeling about 23,800?
23,000. I mean, potentially, yeah. I could definitely, if we get below 24,000, I don't see why not, right? That nice round number. I got a trend line sort of in that area. So what does that mean for oil then? Does that mean oil's going to go 95, 98, 96,
104, 105? I'm not pulling that number out of my ass. I know it sounded like it, but if you look at London, the overnight session, oil hit $101. There's a bunch of new news coming about this war that apparently ended but didn't end, as the talks are done but they're not done, and people are getting a little bit itchy about it.
On the news here, it shows Trump speaking at 10 a.m. So we'll keep that in mind. Jobless claims 5:30 pre-market there. Already passed. Tim took 2 trades this morning. 1 win, 1 loss, up $20. There you go.
Hey, at least you're green. So that just tells me that you had a stop loss and a take profit set appropriately, or you took profit at an appropriate amount if you're still green after a 50% win rate on the morning.
Yeah.
And I do like seeing and hearing about that.
Right.
Because risk management. YM is still below the overnight VWAP.
Quite the dip there on NQ pulling back. So this multi-day trend line here that we've been heading down in is we're kind of right at the bottom of that trend line right now, or channel, I should say.
Is it close to London low on NQ at 72.80?
Right now, if we were to tap it like in this candle, it's 24,064. Yeah, 24,064.
So a little closer to that deviation band.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there's a deviation band sitting at 24,046.70. There are orders down at 24,12.50 and 24,000.
Yeah, 90, 80, 75, 70. That's what I'm seeing on MNQ anyways. MNQ book. Got a buyer ball there. 159 contracts at 24,115.
It's going to tickle VWAP.
Tickle, tickle.
Tickle, tickle.
Tickle, tickle, little pickle.
I don't want to hear about your pickle tickle.
Tickle, tickle, dill pickle.
Easy there, killer.
Market Butcher, I sent you the periodic volume profile setup vid in Discord DMs if you didn't see. Oh, nice. Okay. I will definitely check that out.
Projection off of today's VWAP on the 2-minute.
What's a TradingView Premium? Here's a fresh lifetime build of TradingView Premium V2, especially made for Windows. Download TradingView Premium from GitHub. Zar shared it in the chat. Hey, thanks for promoting the stream in the Discord there, Angia. Yeah, Zar posted something about a premium lifetime edition, full unlock. The sellers from the past few days are not happy about the Trump candle.
That's okay. It's going to come back down.
Oh, yeah. Be careful. TradingView from GitHub might have malware. Yeah, good point.
All right. I just closed out a little NQ scalp short. Made another $70.
Nice. I was eyeballing that.
Yeah, I was off the I did it on the 2-minute chart, which I normally don't execute on unless I'm like micro scalping on a cash account. But
Yeah.
the 2-minute, everything was coming down, went back up, rejected off the 2-minute off the VWAP on the 2. So as soon as it got down under VWAP, I put in 3 micros, closed it at the London low.
I'm actually in a long. Oh no, it just pulling back. Don't stop me. Worst I'm making. Yeah, made $10 there. Too bad. It was up to like about 80 something. Rejected at 24,100 there. I just got this trend line here, so it's kind of. Having trouble getting through the 100s there, 24,100, which is right where the VWAP is. Tim said, Nick, I went back to using the VWAP EVP light indicator you gave me last week. Working good?
Good.
Nice. Are you still trying that the VWAP, Nick?
Yeah, I got it on there right now.
Nice.
Mm. We keep toying with session VWAP here. It's above it. It's below it. It's above it. It's below it. It's like a teeter-totter.
Mm-hmm.
Or if you're from Minnesota, it's a seesaw.
We do have the midnight open trade, that mechanical model, Zach's mechanical model here, possibly as a trade. Looks like our first inverted fair value gap would be 24,130 area.
$24,130.
Yeah. On the 3-minute chart there, we just took it.
Oh, there it goes.
So if we get closure above that 130 level here. The new one that from yesterday is lining up perfectly with the one Nick gave you. Nice. Yeah, I think they're pretty similar, right?
Yeah, they are. I do like the one that that Mike gave us just because of that channel. I do like that visual on there.
Iranian media citing an official source. We sent our response to American proposal yesterday.
Was it in the form of a big pile of shit in a cardboard box?
It's a Trojan horse. time do we got here? 6:44. 1 minute here. 15 seconds actually till we got the green light to take some trades. Which
Oh
we've
shit! I
kind of
already
taken some trades.
Sorry.
And we got that inversion there.
So midnight price on NQ is up at 377.
Yeah.
I'm really not hating that. If it can get above previous day's VWAP, I may take that long.
I did take a long here. Up about 100 so far. Don't pull back. Don't do it.
You say you took a long?
Yeah.
Hopefully a little quicker than you said it. Are you in drawdown now?
Nope. Now I am.
Nope.
If this candle
turns
red,
go back up.
I'll be out. I'm not going to let this thing go too far against me here. Looks like it might stop me out. Nope. Just edged me up.
And
come on, let's go, boys. Yeah, I got stopped out. $50 down there. I didn't want to let this thing go if it decides to go back down here too far.
Gotcha.
I'll look at that for 24,130 for a possible entry area if we reverse that. Too slow to take my profits there. I feel like I was a little greedy on that, actually. Hey, Dad. Good morning. Like I was up $100. I should have just taken that, but
still in this NQ long. $15 in drawdown approximately. Turn into a rocket. Go up for me.
yeah. I re-entered also. I got my stop tight. Oh, there we go. Nice popping up here. Okay, I got my stop in $50 in profit here. Just keep going here, NQ. Don't pull back. Don't pull back here. Yes, keep going, keep going, keep going. I'm going to take one off there. I took one off. Just wanted to lock in. I'm break even now on the day regardless. So minimum, I'm going to be up $36.
Very good.
We got 2 contracts left still here. Let's go, NQ. Uh-oh. No. Come on, buyers, hold this. Hold this. Stop
His
that.
orders
69.
up at
24,200. Yeah, I got taken out there on that pullback.
I just took myself out of that one.
Darren was short, hoping it would go back down a bit. Was hoping to retrace into orb. It looks like it might here for you. We're pretty close to it. Hopefully we're able to take some profits. Economic Pulse, good morning. Lilish, good morning. How you guys doing?
It's good to see you. So I'm up 270 for the day across all my accounts. Not all of my
Right.
accounts, 17 accounts.
Beautiful.
So it's a day.
Trump speaking in 10 minutes. Yeah. So we do have some, we have a potential draw on ES's downside there, which is 6,579. Some equal lows there. Or 574 area. You're long MES with a stop just below the last bullish candle, hoping not to get stopped out. Nice, yeah. So far, we're bullish out of the gate so far. So, wow, YM, hey, jeez. Did you look at YM, Nick?
I just did.
It's
wow,
like a cannon. And look at oil from 94.80 down to 93.16. Took out those orders through 24,200 there on NQ. Damn. All the way up to the overnight VWAP. I'm expecting to take an L. I'm not the type to cut a trade when I have a trade plan. BS pump like usual. You're going to get a coffee? All right, Darren. Yeah, take it easy. It's always good to walk away after if it doesn't pan out. This market's pretty unpredictable.
we're just a couple where we got just 4 points below the overnight VWAP on NQ, and it pulled back down from that. So I'm gonna wait for another candle to confirm the rejection off it, or wait for a breakthrough of previous days of VWAP.
Right at the 200 EMA there to 24,200 level.
It's, the opening of this 5-minute candle is right above that 200 EMA. Coming back up to previous days VWAP. I have to wait for at least 7 minutes before I get into a trade here, so I'm gonna grab some coffee.
You did a temporary lockout or something?
No, waiting for candle closures for confirmation.
Gotcha. Back down to 200 here. In a little short right now. All right, stopped out. Locked in another $25 on that on one micro there. Basically, just looking for a rejection here at this the trend line with overnight VWAP there. We also have the 200 EMA all lining up. Wasn't looking for a huge pullback, but just a little scalp. Just took 42 profit on MES. Nice job. Trump speaking. Yeah, Trump speaking in 4 more minutes here. Should be.
Oh, shit. I was looking at possibly getting into an NQ short here, but if Trump's speaking, see how much. Let's look at the orders and see if there's any $1.6 billion longs going in.
Right. If you get a bearish engulfing on the 3-minute, you're shorting. Yeah, I mean, if this does get all the way back down to a 170 area, that could definitely be a good short. Good.
So an engulfing candle has to be at what, 160? Is that right?
Yeah, it would be like anything below 170.
Okay.
Looks like that's already closed though. That candle closed there. So a new 1-hour candle and a new 4-hour candle coming. Yes. In 3 minutes. Yeah, it didn't happen. Yep.
15, it's looking a little bullish, but could we get chopped up again here?
Definitely. Especially with Trump coming. I got a real estate course this morning for, I guess, 6.5-hour course.
Oof. How do you concentrate for that long?
Yeah, sitting at the desk, especially after 2-hour stream-ish. There we go. Getting to the below the 70s here, or almost below the 70s. Where's our current point of control on this price action here? Point of control with since the open is at 24,100. Looks like ASFX guys are still flat.
Not a bad place to be.
Yeah. Oh, look at that recovery there. Whew.
Yeah.
So that's why you got to wait for candle closures. If you're if you're looking for that bearish engulfing candle, you would have had to wait for this candle to close, and it just
like I said, same thing. I was saying I was looking for a short if it dipped below VWAP, but had to wait for the candle close. Otherwise, you get no confirmation.
That was a pretty nice reaction for bullish from the VWAP, though. Hey, Anybody
Yeah, it's
buy that
still-
VWAP?
Still closed below previous day's VWAP. Sellers were still in control off the previous candle. So still looking at shorts.
Some orders came on at 24,090. So just below 24,100.
165 orders down at 24,015, I think.
Oh yeah, I see that. So yeah, it looks like we have heavier orders below at the moment.
Got a few orders coming on above, but nothing heavy.
Price went exactly to my limit and didn't fill, Darren. Oh damn. Yeah, it's just one of those days. Yeah, it happens, right, Darren? Buyer's holding that 24,200 level here. We tried to just break it there and whipsawed back up, but I feel like the orders with the orders below is just when is this little one of the bulls gonna sort of give up here?
Well, the issue that I'm having with getting into any trade right now is I'm doing this on prop accounts with small amounts of drawdown. So I'm only trading 3 micros at a time, tops.
Yeah.
Now, on NQ, because that movement can be so volatile, I don't want to sit through any drawdown.
Yeah.
I want my stop loss to get hit or my take profit to get hit and then be done with it. Especially with Trump speaking probably now.
Any minute, right?
So how did you like Mike's description of the updates for the command pad, the man pad?
Yeah. The man pad's looking pretty sweet. Trump is only speaking at 4 p.m. Yeah, we had financial juice said 10 a.m., but it could be wrong.
They're asking me questions on Traders Post right now.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, I see a live Trump holds a cabinet meeting right now. It just showed up on the stream. Now, whether or not, here we go. And keep pulling back a bit here. The buyers keep stepping in, holding us up to the 200 level here.
So you know what? I'm cutting out early today. I'm up $270 on all my accounts.
Yeah.
And I'm not loving anything going on today.
I'm up 81 in this account right now. I'm in a short here, 1 micro, stops in profit. Pulling lower here. I'm up about 28 on this contract. Keeping it tight and small. Not really looking to risk the farm here. Literally, figuratively.
Yeah. Don't risk your farm. Don't do it.
Okay, stopped out there. Slightly in the money. So this account, I've been trading that 150K combine. I'm keeping the size small, trying to whittle my last 2,000 down here to pass this guy. But I'm up at 157,200. So I only need about 1,800 left now. You think it's time to short? Maybe. Economic Pulse? Yeah, it's a mixed bag at the moment. It could definitely be. We do have a lot of confluences right here. We have the overnight VWAP at 200 EMA, the midpoint of that overall channel that I've been watching for multiple days, which has been, support and then resistance. But we'll have to see how this ends up playing out here. Currently rejecting off of that 200 EMA at 24,244. A little bit of a reaction there, but not necessarily a rejection.
Right back to the Asia low. Wicked through it. Coming back down now.
Darren goes, maybe speaking twice. All he does is yap. Darren, and then Angie is like, yap, 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 yap. Orange man yap. A lot. How's our 15-minute chart looking here? Bit of a pullback there. Finding some support here on the VWAP at the moment. Are they going to take it out? I'm wondering if they're going to leave this bullish fair value gap on the 15-minute right in line with the VWAP. So if we can keep this candle from closing much lower than it is, we'll leave a 15-minute gap there. Economic Pulse got stopped out, tight stop. Yeah, I mean, I would definitely be keeping it tight this morning, right? No need to give back on this volatility. Oh, it looks like we lost Nick there, guys. I might end up ending the stream a little bit earlier today, guys, just because of that real estate course I got. Typically, we're on at least till 11:30 a.m., but I might just try to end it at 11. I got to deal with the dogs and the chickens before I got to get into that real estate course. So just an FYI, might have a 30-minute shorter stream today than we normally do. Currently up 85 in my 150K combine, so Hopefully we can end the day green, even if it's a smaller green. The interesting thing is because it's a Zoom meeting, so I can keep an eye on the charts throughout the day. Might end up taking a trade or two later in the day, just sort of like a 1 micro and let it run, see what happens kind of idea. But yeah. Hey, welcome back, sir.
Hey,
I love VWAP shirt. Beautiful, like it.
I do love me some VWAP.
Economic Pulse is $500 profit. Nice job.
Good job.
Killer.
Yeah, that wasn't an internet issue. That was me being a dumbass issue. I went to change my switch my tabs, and I hit the X button instead of the tab that I was trying to get to.
Gotcha. So you just showed or closed StreamYard.
Yeah.
Nice.
I ain't all that bright. I just look at candles all day and watch them go up and down.
Darren's in another short, trying to claw back the small loss. Nice. I hope it works out for you here.
9 EMA is coming down towards the 21. We're coming down to New York VWAP. I should have taken a short off that rejection of the overnight.
Yeah, that was a pretty nice. We had two of them there even, right?
That would have been the trade.
Could have locked in some dollars.
Woulda, shoulda, coulda.
Tim's got to leave soon. Has to get his taxes done. All right, adult things to do.
Yeah. Do it, homie.
Hopefully it's a refund.
No, hopefully you made so much money that there's no way in hell you're going to get a refund.
That too.
I don't know anything about Tim's finances, and I'm not going to ask, so.
Bull flag on the 3 minute? Yeah, that's what I was watching the 3 minute earlier. It's looking like it. Yes, I can see that.
The 1 minute. Overall, choppy.
Downward trending channel here.
Switch this over to regular trading hours for uno momento. So VWAP, NQ blew through the first deviation channel, hit the second one, rejected off it, came down to VWAP, went back up, almost hit the second deviation channel again, came back down to VWAP. Now it's going up to the first deviation channel on the 3 minute chart. So inside day. Trade level to level. I'm not making statements. I'm asking questions. What do I do, guys? I don't know.
I do like the what Tim pointed out there, that we do have sort of a bull flag playing out at the moment on the 3 minute chart.
Yeah. I'm going to have to learn something about trend lines and bull flags and bear flags.
Yeah, they definitely have some values.
They do. I've just never used them, never learned about them.
There we go.
It seems like everybody who uses them really likes them, so. And if nothing else, I like learning new things.
For sure. Won't hurt, right?
Yeah, I mean, I hope not. Oh, excuse me.
Tori loves her trend lines. We did break out of that channel a little bit, so it might not actually be broken out. Depends on where we line. That's the other part, is it's kind of discretionary, right? But either way, it kind of looks like we broke out here a bit, and we just took view up. Let's see if we can't, if we can break the 24,240, I would say, there's a good chance that this is going to be a little bit more continuation to the upside on this little flag breakout here. But if we're not getting a closure, at least a closure above the view up here, we might end up just getting back into that channel here. It doesn't always go on the first time it breaks out of the channel, so
Sometimes it takes a minute. Or rejects completely.
Yeah. Tim said, I get paid to make educated decisions. My decision is to stay the hell out. I like it.
It's not a bad decision. That's what we call self-control.
Short trend is bullish, Darren said. Shouldn't be shorting. Anyways, I'll save one more trade for later. Nice, yeah. Be patient here. We're pretty choppy in this little area here. Basically range bound.
The trend is bullish. We're above VWAP.
Oh, you're down 80 for now, Darren. All right. Yeah, don't keep trying to force the the one idea that works. I think Austin's got a pretty good rule. If you take the same trade twice and it doesn't work, probably not taking the right direction, right? Or just the timing is still off.
Like buyers are trying real hard to take control and failing.
Yeah, with that big pullback overnight there. I mean, the shorts might be the right trade. It's just, it's all about the timing, right? As we all know.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sometimes that causes a little bit of tilt. Hey, Darren, like sometimes when you're like, you have an order, you would have hit your profit target or whatever, and then that starts going in your mind, and you're like, man, I should be up right now, and then just starts that like psychological thought process of, potentially taking a trade sort of to revenge that money back, right?
Yeah.
That's kind of what it is. It's sort of like revenge trading, right? I hate that. Like, or if you're TP, you have a TP, it almost gets hit, it pulls back on you and goes to a break even or a stop, and then you're like, man, like I was up $150 in that trade, like.
Yeah, if it gets close to my TP, a lot of the time I'll just close the trade.
Yeah, no big deal there. And I mean, $80 isn't, you can get that back, no problem. So, or stop, then the trade plays out. Yeah, exactly, right. It wicks your stop to a point or two, and then the trade plays out. It's like,
Yeah,
man, they just had that stop like 2 ticks lower.
hate it when that happens.
Andy a short 230. Nice short. Wow.
That's really good short.
Wow. 50 points almost there. Holding that, we have a 3-minute bullish fair value gap right at the 200 level there. Price went down, found support at the 21 EMA and bounced. We closed in that gap right on the 9 EMA. Back in the channel here a bit. Let's see if no, the camera's still out of the cabinet here. So they're obviously the meeting hasn't started.
I just took my NQ long.
I'm in that too. I took I'm slightly in profit here, up about 16, up about 20. I'm gonna be a little more aggressive on trailing this one. I'm gonna lock in $18 on one micro here. We pull back. Hopefully we explode to the upside here, boys. Let's go. Good trade there, Nick. Thanks for pointing it out. There we go. Locked it in. I'm out. So I'm up 121 now in this 150K trading combine. I just, with that view up above, I'm just being reluctant to try to hold this right now.
Oh yeah, I get it. Took another 135 on that.
Hey, thanks, Dad. Thanks for the like. We appreciate that.
Now I got to be patient for another few minutes.
Yeah. Angie said yesterday it missed my long order by 2 points and then pumped 200 points. Oh, well, okay, pumped 150 points. Yeah, figures, right?
Hate it when that happens.
Yeah, and if you can avoid the tilt or the revenge feeling, or FOMO, whatever you want to say, good on you. So that's something you can just kind of learn from when those trades happen. If you can always just try to think back and be like, look, I didn't tilt, so I didn't do anything, bad. So that's a win, right? Regardless.
Yeah. I mean, if you learn something from it and you didn't blow all your accounts or lose your mortgage, you're good. I'll be back. Need more coffee.
Sounds good. It doesn't matter when you leave anyways. You're still frozen in time, so everybody thinks you're there. Angia says, oh, we have more people to watch today. Nice. You wrapped it up right away? No need to push it when you're already got your profits. Yeah, for sure. All right, finding a little bit of support here at the 200 level. Also, still with that 3-minute bullish fair value gap and the 9 EMA lining up with the 200 EMA. So, retesting the top of the channel. Maybe it's not a channel anymore. Gonna head out, go get your son. I've got one more trade later if need be. Got for a max 120 loss and 175 max wins. Okay, nice. Yeah, well, I wish you luck. I'm sure you'll find something good later in the day. Seems like we're going to be chopping here for a bit. So definitely be careful in this zone here, guys. Obviously, we haven't been doing much. We do have orders above on NQ. 24 237, 24 a little bit came off on 250, and then looks like 24 280 above. We still have those orders below down at 24,020, 165 contracts. So we're in the center of a VP node. Volume, is that a volume profile node, you mean?
Volume profile.
Yeah, if we look at the current volume profile from the market open here, which is a session volume profile, that's this yellow and blue stuff on the left-hand side here. The point of control was down at 24,100. Now the volume is up at 24,200. So I don't know. I don't really know what the correlation is to that. But all I know is we're currently sitting right on the volume point of control from today's price action. We do have an 80% setup still, though. So there's a good chance we're going to head up to 24,433, which is previous day's point of control. Maybe we're going to play around here. We might manipulate lower, maybe into this fair value gap down here at 24,125. Find some support in this area and then head higher. I mean, I could see that happening. And then like I was saying before, I think, ES has some equal lows. We kind of have some stacked lows here from the pre-market also on NQ. So this could be a potential target, 24,080 below. And then if we go to 80, then I don't see why we wouldn't get down to 24,020, which is where those 165 contracts are on the book. So price is balanced and doesn't need to take initiative when in balance. Where's my jokes? Yeah, what's going on? You're being so serious today. I'm waiting for a good old Hawk Flies joke to come out. Gotta rip on some Tim Korth or something.
Oh, Dave, I'm starting to think you got a little crush on Tim Korth. You're talking about him looking like a lumberjack with an axe over his shoulder and a flannel shirt. Wearing his cut-off Daisy Duke blue jeans.
I just had a flashback of Tim the Toolman Trader when Taylor when you said that. Arr, 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 arr. Oh, Mr. Mustang, you're finally not in frozen mode, and he's back in frozen mode. You said you spoke too slow. You were moving there for a minute, and then there you go. Now you're back again. Woo.
No, I'm just I'm concentrating. So I'm like a praying mantis. I just sit very still and wait for my prey to show up.
I just attack.
All right, we're back down to VWAP.
Oh well, yes. Initial balance just set there, guys. FYI. 24,240 on the top side and 24,65 on the downside.
Took my NQ long. I got a real tight stop on it. Just going off this this bounce off the VWAP back up towards the deviation band because it's been choppy for the past hour.
Yeah, play the
I have a
range.
little bit of faith in it, but I'm ready to hit the exit button as soon as possible.
Nice drop. I am out. You were in a short, Angia? Oh yeah, you're short at 230. Good job. Yeah, I forgot that you're still short from 230. That was a beautiful trade then. 230 down to the VWAP. Whew.
That's a nice trade.
60 points. And you're in a nice trade right now too. Long off that VWAP. I was too slow there.
Just taking this little VWAP bounce. Maybe make a couple of bucks on it.
You will. You are in the money already.
The money.
You're either going to make a little bit of money or a lot of money.
Yeah, a little bit or a little bit more.
Yeah.
Today is not a lot of money day.
True.
I'll take my little bit of money and call it.
Nice trade there. The VWAP works, guys. It works.
That's why I love it.
I took a nice trade on the stream last night on a VWAP rejection.
Oh, I should have held on to that trade. Damn.
Pushed up a few more points. We'll see what happens when we get up to the 200 here. That's where that volume point of control is. Looks like they're sort of rejecting off of it right now.
It's a high volume node sitting right there.
Yeah.
Highest volume of the day for NQ is at 203.90.
Nice trade, 50 points for Angia there. Nice. Might wrap it up early today. Bright green this week. Gonna fight another day. Keep my mental capital strong. Hey, smart.
Yep.
You say you act like you're a new trader or something, but everything you seem to say sounds like a seasoned veteran. VWAP was your first thing to learn and still loving it. Yeah, I mean it's a great indicator to start your trading on, right? It's like all the banks and the hedge funds, they all like it. It proofs in the pudding. It works, right? So
And institutions put their orders in at VWAP. That's how they do it. Even when they're putting in iceberg orders, say you want 100,000 shares of XYZ at VWAP. They'll put in 1,000 share order, and if that gets taken, another 1,000 shares goes in at VWAP, and another 1,000 goes in at VWAP, and they do that over and over and over again. And it's called an iceberg order.
Oh yeah.
And the reason why they do it is so that way it doesn't move the market so much when they when their orders get filled.
Rather than putting in like 100,000 order, right?
Yep.
YM's trying to break out of the highs here.
YM is in a strong uptrend. NQ is still from the overnight in a downtrend. ES is mixed. But looking at this It's been in a downtrend since 9:55. So if I do get into another long off the VWAP, I'm going to close it before it gets up to that first deviation band. Probably close it halfway up at like the 9 EMA.
And you said, LOM, I am new. Been trading for 3 to 4 years. That's pretty, it's, you know, you're definitely into a good amount of time of trading. That's for sure.
Not quite new, but not yet an old head. Have you been trading futures that entire time?
Yes, and only NQ. Hey, nice.
Concentrating on one ticker. That's smart.
Yeah, I started on ES, and then I've kind of more recently got more into NQ.
Yeah, yesterday on the stream, I told Mike he got me over to the dark side. I've been trading NQ lately.
Yeah.
You and Mike are a bad influence. That's a pretty strong push through VWAP now.
Yeah. See, are they going to hold that VWAP or what?
We'll see where this closes.
44 seconds. I'm watching 3-minute chart right now.
Looks like the draw on liquidity would be around 24,102. If it continues to go down.
Seven seconds here. Looks like they're going to close it below the VWAP. I'm going to watch this 5-minute actually here.
Coming right back up to VWAP.
Yeah. Lots of indecision right now in the market, obviously.
So I pulled up that Nephew Sam fair value gap indicator. It looks like it pulled right down to that 156.90 level.
Mm-hmm.
It was just under the bottom of that bullish fair value gap.
Tapped into that and found support. Yeah, I see that.
There's another one down 136. So it looks like VWAP is the magnet for the day. You're looking at the band, the high volume node at $24,187.10. That's the midpoint where all the volume was. VWAP's just below it, and that seems to be where price is pulling. So unless this cabinet meeting gives us something,
I did take a long there on YM actually.
Really?
In my Lucid eval. I was up. What was I up about 50? Now I'm up 219. So luckily I closed out on that push up there, rejected on the VWAP really hard. Now pushing low, would have hit my stop just now. So that was lucky, or good management, one or the other.
I think that was good management.
Yeah, once
Just
I
hit
start,
the top that fair value gap.
when I get these pops, it's just hard for me to not take profit when it like really moves that fast, you know?
Yeah.
Angia said, I love to focus on one thing. I'm done for today. So thank you, Mr. Dave. Thank you, Mr. Mustang. Good luck with your hockey game. Don't get hurt. Rest well for the game. I will see you guys next week. Enjoy the weekend. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys and learn more from your stream. You two rock. See you guys soon. Hey, that means a lot to us.
Thank you very
so
much.
It's
Appreciate
always
that.
nice to get some appreciation from the chats there.
All right, we tapped into that fair value gap down at 141.60. Rejected off of that, so I got one more 5-minute candle left in me after this, and then I'm done for the day.
Yeah. I was saying to chat we're probably going to end at 11 because I got some stuff to deal with before I got my real estate course here. So I'm pretty happy with the day now. Up to 19 in the Lucid account and up 121 in my 150K combine. So
But looks like we have the same P&L for the day.
sweet. Green is green.
Green is green.
So we got 11 people in YouTube and looks like 0 in X. I never went into X to see if every day I go into X, click our live streams just to see if we can get them going.
Projecting off that fair value gap again. It's coming down to the first deviation band on VWAP.
Yeah, bounced in, finding support at the bottom of the trend line / also that bullish fair value gap. But
Orders down at 125 right now. But again, not a whole hell of a lot.
yeah, 30 contracts there. But we still have those 165 at the 20s. And then looks like there's 200 down at, what is that, 940, 23,940. And those look like real orders. They're down at 940. So 940.
Yeah, those are
wow.
Those are real orders. Those aren't algos.
Well, I haven't taken a trade in my top one yet. Could look at taking one more trade here.
Just inverted that fair value gap, pushed through the first deviation band. And if this candle closes anywhere near where it is, that's a real strong closure under VWAP.
Yeah, it is. That's with that push up too, like that huge wick on the top side. Definitely a super. Yeah, there we go. We did close it, inverted that fair value gap. See if we can't get in a short here on the little bounce.
I'm in my short now.
Me too.
2 micros on NQ.
I only took one.
Just joke.
If this candle turns red, I'm going to put my stop break even here. I want to see us break the low of that previous candle, though. Just like almost there. Oh, I don't like how we... I wanted to see it pushing a bit more, though. Not quite enough there. Come on, let's go. All right, now stop break even. Trailing it to the bottom of the top of that candle body. See if we can get a little more continuation here. There we go. Locking in some more. My stop's at 115 now.
Nice.
Almost took me out there. Okay, I got stopped out there. $35. Nice. Oh, jeez. I was in my lucid account here, so you guys can't even see that. Nice trade. Looking like it wants to go still. Go through those 100s. Oh, big swipe up there on the 100s.
Not really all that concerned about that one.
No. Oh, Trump's talking.
Oh. All right, I'm out. Oh, I got out just in time.
Perfect timing.
All right.
He's saying that they're defeated, they're exhausted, they're talking to us, blah, blah, blah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we'll believe it when it's true.
Yeah, I'll believe it when the Canadian news tells me that it's true.
Well, I wouldn't even believe them.
Trust them more than the news sources in the U.S. right now, for fuck's sake.
Well, you know, when the war started, you know, for the first 4 days, our Prime Minister, Mark Carney, flip-flopped from against the war to supporting the war to against the war to supporting the war. Literally each day flip-flopped for 4 days straight. And then, you know, one of our bases got hit. Like they bombed one of our bases, Iran. And they didn't tell the public for 11 days.
Yeah, what's the reasoning behind that, though?
Well, they said because they're trying to protect the troops, right? But the thing is,
yeah,
they don't want to get involved with the war. Like, I don't know how that protects the troops. I mean, it already happened, you know?
Yeah, but sending more military to fight a war that you had nothing to do with to begin with is not good for keeping your constituents happy.
Yeah, that's true. Well, I don't really want to take any trades when he's talking here. Watch him whip out his phone and do like a true social right on the stream.
It wouldn't surprise me. Remember when Hillary Clinton's laptop was an issue
Yeah.
And now you can sign up and give a donation and get
Insider information.
insider information.
Yeah.
Get unfiltered access to my security briefings. Come again?
Yeah.
Not sure about you, but I don't think Jim Bob in the trailer park really needs that.
If you're looking for a good laugh, I don't know if you saw it before, but Bob and Doug McKenzie.
They sound Canadian.
Yeah, it's a pretty funny show. I forget who it was. Somebody on the stream yesterday brought it up, and I was like, so now I have it on my YouTube. I'm looking to watch it. So
Check that out.
Strange brew theme. I don't want to jinx it, but my mic has been working really good for a couple days now.
Loud.
Yeah. Don't listen to it, Mike.
That's okay. I'm just happy if I'm not frozen in time for more than.
Well, you're frozen again, but it's all good. We know you're there.
Am I really?
Yeah.
Can't see me turning my head?
Nope.
Damn it.
You're very focused on the current trade right now.
So focused. I like laser accuracy on this.
Yeah. like one of those fish, you know, the ones that have like the little like dangly bait. They're just waiting for the other fish.
Oh, the angler fish.
Yeah. And then just boom, attack. Well, all things considered, I'm feeling pretty happy this morning. Up 121 in one account, up 33 in my top one futures, up 219 in the Lucid. So overall green.
Let's see what I got here. Oh, my cash account, I'm up $152.21.
Hey, dinner. Oh, you're moving. Nice. There you are. He's back.
Yeah.
Gentlemen.
And my copied accounts. $308.50.
Nice. And you said you're using 16 or something today.
17 total.
17, nice. Are some of those evals?
No.
No, they're all funded. Nice.
Those are all funded.
Q4 Pilot yesterday bought a 150K straight to funded from Lucid using my code.
Ooh,
man,
nice.
That's like a $80 tip to me.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
we really do appreciate all the comments, the likes, and the using Dave's codes.
Yeah, the support. In general, the support for sure.
Someday I will actually get off my lazy ass and try and get some affiliate codes with some of these companies.
Yeah. I mean, they're gonna see how many accounts and stuff that you have with them, and that definitely helps.
I'm not sure if they'll appreciate the fact that I have them with 9 other prop firms too, but.
Well, I mean, somebody who's promoting copying trading over multiple accounts can be a good thing for them, right? Because that just means more money to be made by every prop firm if people then like trade like the 95% do. But our chat isn't doing that. It seems like our chat's very in line with kind of how we're trading too, keeping it tight, keeping it small. There we go. Just broke down. NQs just broke down below the bottom of the trend line.
That is one thing I do like about the people in our chat. It does seem like it's a bunch of adults that aren't doing stupid shit, churning accounts, YOLOing into bullshit trades. and actually treating it like a business, like you should, like it's a business.
100%. Yeah.
And I don't know if that's because we're just two boring old guys trying to make money every day, or if it's we just got lucky.
Yeah, I think it's, leading by example. We just kind of draw these type of people into the stream, right? By no means are we perfect, but we do definitely preach that, ideology.
I am so far from perfect. I make at least, I'm wrong at least 3 times a day, but once I'm done being wrong those 3 times, there's a 50% chance I'll be right.
Yeah, nice. For sure. Hey, Kaylin just showed up. Good morning, y'all. Got up late, but had to put a trade from my phone. Caught the drop from the top to 50% retracement for $280. Keeping it green for the week. Good job. Got in on the short from 220 on that Lucid accounts, just out 5 micros. Nice trade, Q4. That's funny. We were just talking about Q4. So, I think you took a nice green trade yesterday. After you first got that account, so nice job. Hopefully payout's not too far away for you. Did you guys profit from the drop?
No.
I didn't trade that. No.
Nope. All our profits were on longs off of VWAP bounces. In the pre-market, I was in, hold on, I have to actually look and see. Oh yeah, I took a couple of shorts in the pre-market. Real small size. I was only trading 1 micro.
Yeah.
But, it works.
Yep.
Still green for the day, so I'm happy.
Q4 Pilot said you guys have the best vibe out there. So appreciate that.
Who said that? Thank you.
Lots of nice comments from the chat. So, all right, Nick.
I'm out of here. I got no business trading and giving back what I made today. So
yeah, me too. I'm ready to wrap it up here too. So
cool. Good luck with your real estate classes or training or whatever the hell it is you're doing. And I will see you bright and early in the morning. I'll probably be on here around 5 a.m. New York time. So
nice.
That's all I got.
Sounds
all
good.
Right. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks, everybody. And hasta mañana.
See you, Nick. Hasta mañana. Yeah, guys, I'm going to wrap it up here also. Normally we're here at least for another 30 minutes or so. But like I said, I got this course coming up and I got a bunch of things to deal with around the house with the dogs and the chickens and everything. So green across the boards today, up. I'm up 121 here in the 150K trading combine. So this account's doing pretty good. We're slowly grinding. I decided to size down for the home stretch of trying to pass this account. So I need about a little under 1800 to pass it. So been green all the way across the board here for the most part. That's pretty good. Happy with that. And then I got my over here. We got this 219 here in the Lucid account and 33 in the top 1 futures. Nothing that big, but hey, is what it is. Green is green, right? So yeah, so thanks everybody. Appreciate you guys hanging out. Hopefully I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Sounds good. Good luck in your game tonight. Appreciate that. Thanks so much. Been getting a lot of movement during London pre-market recently. Yeah, Nick's been doing really well pre-market. The movement's been pretty clean, and he's a good trader, right? So obviously. Let's see here. Just gonna go to the live stream. All right, guys. Thanks so much. Angia, Economic Pulse, Darren, the Hawk Flies, Tim Korth, Kaylin, Mr. Stewart, my dad, Lilish Borker, Miss K911, Q4 Pilot, Chintan, and Jose. Appreciate you guys. Take it easy for the rest of the day. Make sure you keep that size down. We are pretty volatile here. Created another equal lows here. Keep an eye on this, guys. If we end up finding a rejection here at the VWAP, it might be a good chance we're going to head back down to sweep these lows here again. 24,068. Anyways, guys, thanks so much. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you guys later. See you on the flip side tomorrow morning for market open, 9:30 a.m. Have a good day, guys. Peace out.